Somebody's painting.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
building at the top tower.
We will shortly be arriving at Kingsway. Kingsway for Dartmouth is our next station stop. Any passengers with steam cruise or paddle steamer tickets, or for those of you going over to Dartmouth, you should change here at Kingsway for the ferry, which can be found by walking down our platform in the present direction of travel. You'll find the ferry pontoon on the right-hand side, just beyond the station buildings. For those of you going over to Dartmouth and returning later, we do recommend that you allow at least half an hour for the return ferry crossing in order to connect with the returning train service of your choice. This train will be returning to Paignton at 11:15. Further services today are at 1 o'clock, 10 past 3 and 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock will be the last service back to Paignton today. If you are leaving us here at Kingsway, please ensure that you do have all of your personal belongings with you. For safety, please keep all doors closed until the train has come to a complete stop at the platform, and please mind the gap as you arrive. Do note that due to the curved platform here at Kingsway, the gaps at the end of the coaches are smaller. There's also a ramp located in carriage L, situated towards the middle of the train. Here at Kingsway Station, you'll find the Bell Bistro, where they'll happily serve you with hot and cold drinks, light snacks and refreshments, and a range of gifts and souvenirs. We'd like to thank you all for travelling with us on the Dartmouth Steam Railway today, and we hope that you've had a very pleasant journey. We're now arriving at Kingsway, change here for the ferry service to Dartmouth.
Yeah,